today we are diving into the basics of Microsoft Excel. Whether you are new to Excel or just need refresh this tutorial, will help you get started. So let's jump right in. So first up, you need to open up the Excel, and when you launch the program, you will see a screen like this. So like here, you will find this one. Okay, so click on the blank worksheet with the new, or you can find this one with the click on the blank workbook to create a new spreadsheet. Okay, so now that we have our blank worksheet, let's take a quick tour of the interface. At the top of the ribbon, which contain various tabs like the home tabs, insert draw, page layout, and also the more. And each tab has different tools and options. Like under the home tabs, we have the clipboard group, font groups, align groups, and also the more, and like this. And our insert tabs, you can insert the different object from the insert tabs, and there is also the several groups. So draw, page layout, with this one you can easily work with the different options. So below the ribbon, and you will see the formula bar. This is called the formula bar. This is where you can enter or edit data and formulas in the cells. Okay, so and finally we have a spreadsheet area and made up a row and column. So columns are labeled with a letter like A, B, C, D, or like this way, and the rows are the number. So each boxes is called the cell. Okay, so the cell addresses is determined by its columns, letters, and row number. Like when I click over here, you can see it gives you the A1, and this is called the cell A1. And when I click over here, this is the F4, and this is the F4 cells. Okay, so let's start by entering some data. Click on the cell A1, we type here. If I say like here the name, then press the enter to move the cell A2, and type here like if I say the John. Continue entering a few more names in the columns, like enter, press the enter. Then if I say this will be the David over here, and if I say this will be the Smith over here. So this way you can easily enter your data. Now next, let's move into the column B. Okay, in the cell B1, type like if you use the age, and here we have now the age. Then enter the some ages corresponding to the names in the column A. So like here, if I say that 24, 25, if I say that 21, if I say that 23, 3/3, and like this way you can easily use it into the column B. Okay, so great. Now let's format our data to make it nicer. So highlight the cells with your data and go to the home tabs and use the options to bold and the header or add the borders. So first one, let's start with the all borders. We have now this one. Then I want to bold the name and ages as the headers. So select the bold. We have the bold, and I want to increase the font point. Instead of the 11, I want to use the 12. So now that we have now the 12 font size, this one, and we have this one, and we have this one. Now let's use more appealing with the different colors. So let's go to the themes colors, and for example, let's use a simple one. Now you can say it's come over the table. So this way you can easily modify or this one. So, and Excel is not just for sorting data. It's also powerful tools for calculation. So let's do a simple sum. So like here, if you use like the something, or if I gonna click over the something, or if I say this will be the here the number, and if I want to sum up this one, I can easily use the type or the sum. You use the parenthesis, then select it, then close it, then hit on the OK. So this way you can easily use it, and Excel will calculate the total cents. Excel not only gives you the data, or it also helps you to find out the calculation or with the different functions. You can also use another basics functions like the average, mean, and max. So try them out in your spreadsheet. For example, this is the sum. If I'm gonna use the average, and if I say I can just easily use it as the average by using the average functions. Let me use this one, then select this data, then pause it, then hit on the OK. Now let's move into the main functions. If I want to find out the lowest value in our range, I can easily use the main functions by using the main and select this range, then pause it, then hit on the OK. So same way you can do as a max function, and you can easily find out the highest value of the selected range by using match functions. Use the parenthesis, then select this range, then close it, then hit on the OK. So now that we have our functions, we have the result. Okay. So one more cool feature is creating charts. So highlights your data. You can do by like this one. If I want to use this one, go to the insert tips and choose the charts you want to use, and you can find. Let me do it again. Insert it here, and this time select the charts over here, and you can use choose a chart type you want to use for your data. Work, so you can easily use it. For example, let's use a simple one like the bar charts over here, and just hit on the OK. Now that we have our data and also the chart to visualize very easily and as a glance. Okay. So now you have a visual representations of your data. So that is for our introduction in Excel. We have covered how to enter data, format it, and perform basic calculation and create chart. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next time.